guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be unboxing my biggest ever RC car. I'm really looking forward to it. It is part of the Rovan family, guys, and I really think this one is going to be an absolute ripper. Should have a 750 kV motor, and that thing we already know rips on my other Rovan vehicle, guys, the SLT8 or the EV8 SLT8. So that thing is an absolute crazy car, guys. As you know, that's the one that injured me. And here it is, guys. Look at the size of the box. So there is a 1 meter ruler, and that's how big the box is. 1 meters. Crazy, guys. So that is a 1/5 scale. There should be a 1/5 scale in here as well, and I'm going to do a size comparison between this one and my other big vehicles, which is also obviously my Xmaxx. So really looking forward to that, guys. So let's get it open. Right, get the trusty old knife. Right, I'm super excited, guys. Right, let's see if we can open it up. I believe, oh yeah, there is a box within the box here, guys. All right, so by the way, this is also the wheels that I got for it. Can you guys guess the color? It's gonna be awesome, guys, but we'll look at that now. Right, so let's break this open. Wow. Guys, check that thing out. What? Look, I knew it was going to be big, but I never thought it was going to be that big. Alright, guys, so these are the tires that comes with it, which is also a type of off-road, but you can see these ones will also be able to use on the road. They reckon it's all-terrain tires. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this on other Rovan vehicles as well. Right, so let's put that to the side. There's another one. Guys, look at the absolute size of this thing. Guys, it's a monster. Look at that. Crazy. Alright, so let's see what is in here, guys. In here, oh, this looks quite different. I wonder what type of... Alright, guys, so this really looks like a nice controller, guys. It's massive. W-fly. Right, probably a couple of screws to just put it back on there, guys, but it's got an LCD screen. I must say, this radio feels and looks a lot better than the one I've got with the SLT8, which is this one here, guys. Not too impressed with how this one feels. This one really looks good. Right, guys, so there's the controller, empty box. That was the box for the controller, and then we've got a little instruction manual, guys, with a couple of tools. Right, okay, and there's the car, guys. What is this even possible? Jeez. Oh. We'll look at that now. Let's just see what else is in the box here. Right, so this is the box for the controller, and as you can see, guys, it really looks like a nice controller. Can't wait to see how this performs. Alright, and then there's the other goodies. There is the screws that goes with the controller to mount that in. So let me just get this box out of the way. I don't think there's anything else in here. Don't think so. Let's just double check. No. Alright, guys, it's empty. Right, I'm just quickly going to throw the box away, guys, and then we'll continue with this. Okay, guys, so I've taken the controller out and set it up nicely. So it just takes a couple of screws just to put in there, and you can see, guys, you can obviously put it on different angles because there's 3 sets of places where the screws can actually put in. But this is a very nice controller, guys. You can see there it's got a place to put the lanyard, and it really feels of high quality. and it is quite impressive. Really nice tension on the throttle and also on the steering wheel there, guys. Very nice digital screen. It takes 4 AA batteries, and yeah, it's got a couple of channels, so yeah, really nice. Now this is going to be the batteries that I'm going to be running on this guy, guys. So this is a brand, new brand called Mania X, and as you can see, guys, it's a high voltage batteries, 8400 milliamp hours, 100C discharge rate. I think it's got a maximum discharge rate of 200C, if I'm not mistaken, but I'll put the details of the batteries and everything else in the description down below so you guys can see. So let's look at this battery, guys. It's hard case, big boys, but yeah, it's got the wrong connector on. It's got XT90s. Now I need to change that over to EC5s, but yeah, so I'm going to use 2 of those to make the 8S. Then you've got your instruction manual, which is also nice, guys. Yeah, so most of it is in English. Here it warns you that it can go 70. I bet you it's going to go a little bit quicker. It gives you information about the 2-stroke stuff. So this is obviously more towards, or focused towards, the petrol version of it. So it just tells you about the survey and the running of the vehicle. There's all the parts. Right, guys, so that's quite nice. Yeah, nice blowout. You see it's got a lot of components for the petrol vehicle. It's almost exactly the same as I had with EV8, so it's very similar information where you get more info about the petrol vehicle. Then you've also got a very nice pack of tools here, guys. Just excuse that guy that's using his power tool here, that's making it impossible to make this video almost. Then you've got a couple of boots with a couple of extra body clips. Actually, that is the battery bay clips that's in there. Alright, guys, and there's your wheel nut tool, and yeah, then obviously I've got the couple of clips. So let's quickly look at the vehicle itself on the inside. Alright, guys, so one thing that I did find, obviously the body had protection on it, the plastic cover, which is great for protection, but it was quite annoying getting all of the plastic sheeting that was underneath these body screws out. I needed to take every single one out, guys, and then take the little ring of plastic off that stayed there after pulling the big pieces off, and that obviously was quite annoying. So every single one of these I needed to take out and remove that piece of plastic. And also I did not get a sticker kit with the vehicle, which is weird. I don't understand it. I did contact the seller from AliExpress and I'm still waiting for a reply from them. Right, guys, and there is the body that is off the vehicle. So there you can see the chassis, guys. It's a massive car. It's absolutely huge underneath. As you can see, guys, there's your soda can motor, your 750 kV brushless motor, guys. It's a massive thing. You've got your heat cooling there, or your cooling fans. Again, guys, these connections, you can't really find any batteries with these connections unless you buy them from AliExpress. So I'm just going to change that out to obviously be able to run the EC5s. Got a 200 amp ESC, guys. I believe this is a Max 5 ESC. And there's your servo, guys. Giant servo. You've got a 17 tooth servo arm. Yep. Right, guys. What I like about this one, and which the EV8 didn't have, is these pieces are already metal. I needed to upgrade these to metal with the EV8, but this one already came with it. There's a battery box, guys. It's quite big. I'm just hoping that's going to be a tight fit, but it seems like it is going to fit, guys, so that's a good thing. So there you can see, guys, is the gearing, the mesh really looks really good. Look at that, out of the factory, guys. That really looks good. So you've got obviously 3 differentials, guys. There's a center differential, you've got a front, and you've got a rear differential. This one also came with the shocks already filled with oil. Now that's one thing I did not have with the EV8, and I needed to add that shock oil in. Obviously ball bearings all around. You've got sway bars there, you can see the sway bars as well. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. It's a very similar platform to what you get with the low C 5B. Is it the 5B? Oh, that guy's so annoying with that. So now we are going to do a quick size comparison between this, the EV8 and the Xmaxx. Alright, guys, so I just wanted to show you guys a comparison between my biggest cars, which we all know, and I think most of us know, how to compare vehicles to the Xmaxx. So this is my Traxxas Xmaxx, guys, and as you can see, I've done a little bit of work on it. It really looks epic. I think it's a lot of work that's been done on it, but as you can see, got different colored A-arms and stuff like that. But generally you will expect that the Xmaxx is a pretty big vehicle, but look at that, guys. This new Rovan LT that I've got literally dwarfs the Xmaxx. Look at it. It is an absolute massive thing. This is my other Rovan vehicle, guys. So this is the EV8, the SLT8, also an awesome vehicle. This is the one that fractured my ribs. If you haven't seen that video, guys, make sure you check it out in the description box below. But yeah, so there is a good comparison, guys, to see how big that new vehicle is, guys. It's literally a meter from the one side to the back. So from the front to the back, it's 1 meter long. Quite a big vehicle, guys. But yeah, that hopefully puts it into perspective to see how big it really is. Look at that. Now, as I said previously, guys, I haven't received my sticker kit. I did get in contact with the shop on AliExpress, and they did tell me that they will be sending my sticker kit for the new LT. But yeah, it's probably going to take a week or two to get here before I can put the stickers on. So that's not the finished product. But what do you guys think of the Rhino that I put on here? This is a sticker that I brought from South Africa, and I think it looks awesome on it. It's a type of a vinyl sticker. I just had a little bit of a mishap here, folded, but I think it really looks good on it. But guys, look at that, the Xmaxx. Look at that thing. So these are all my 8S vehicles, guys, and just for the fun of it, just to compare. Now, you guys know how big the Arma Mojave is, for example. Eh? Let's quickly get my Mojave and just put it here as well. Look at that, guys. Look how small the Arma Mojave is against that LT. Just incredible, eh? And let's look at one of my smallest vehicles, my Axial SCX24, one I've built up, guys. So let's see how that compares in terms of size. Alright, guys. So that is my SCX24. So just to give you guys a little bit of a perspective, but you guys have seen it. It's literally almost the same platform. I think it's almost an identical platform to the low C5B. I mean, just to see it like this really puts it into perspective. Now, I really did think that my SLT8 was really a big vehicle the first time that I saw it. And it's quite heavy. It's almost 15 kilograms with the batteries installed. But yeah, as you can see, guys, so that is my Traxxas Xmaxx. Which one do you guys think looks better? That's also a good big question. I really think my Xmaxx looks awesome, eh? Look how big that thing is. And I think the color and all of the stuff that goes with it really looks good. I mean, that black accent with the green, I really think it looks awesome, guys. But let me know what you think of my Xmaxx. I think it looks great. Right, but yeah, guys, and also a height comparison. So as you guys know, the Xmaxx is quite high, but as you can see, LT rather is just as big as what the Xmaxx is. So very comparable, guys. It's a good comparison to see in reality how big it is. Okay, guys, so that was the size comparison. I just wanted you guys to see how big this thing really is. If you ended up liking this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm John from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.